This is a quick functional demo of the Thompson guitar and Thrift SoCal single coil pickups. A quick note before I begin, if it looks a little weird, me doing the switching, this guitar is set up with a Memphis wiring scheme. So it uses a three-way switch, and it's wired in a way that you can get all 5 pickup voicings that you typically get with a 5-way switch with a 3-way switch. So it's going to look a little weird as I switch it between pickups. So first of all, we have the neck pickup. Alright, next we have both the neck and middle pickup together. Alright, next we're going to have the middle pickup all by itself. Alright, next we have the neck pickup and the bridge pickup together. And now we're just going to have the bridge pickup by itself. All right, these are the Thompson Guitar and Thrift SoCal single coil pickups. Check out a link in the description if you're interested.